Your search for the most comprehensive CLAT preparation program ends now. BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you over 300 recorded lectures, 300 plus hours of live classes, over 50 mocks across CLAT and non-CLAT exams, and 9,000 plus topic-specific preparation questions. All of this specifically curated by NLU alums and IM grads. So what's stopping you? Go register for the BYJU'S Exam Prep scholarship test now and get thousands of scholarships.
Hello everyone and welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams. In this short session, we will be discussing about Indians' evacuation from Sudan. I hope you are aware that Sudan civil war is happening, and that is why this is very much in the news that Indians are being evacuated from Sudan. And what is the name of the operation? I hope you all are aware. That is called as Operation Kaveri, under which Indians are being evacuated from the civil war affected Sudan. Okay, so you can see it kicks off to evacuate 3,000 Indians from Sudan. This is the recent news. Okay, let me tell you something about it. Actually, this is the Sudan. Let me show you in the map. Here is India. This is Sudan, which is an African country, which is having port also this much of you can say coastline, which is touching this what we call it as Red Sea. Okay. And this one is Port Sudan as well there. Now, in Sudan, the civil war is happening. Actually, the paramilitary force, so this is the name of the paramilitary force, Rapid Support Forces, are fighting with the army. So, the paramilitary force and army both are fighting each other, which is of course a new thing. So, the paramilitary force is led by Muhammad Hamdan Dagalo, and the Sudanese army is led by Abdul Fattah al-Burhan. So, both are actually fighting each other. Okay, and that is why we call it as civil war. Means the within the two groups, people are fighting within the country, two groups are fighting. That's called as civil war. अपने ही मुल्क में दो group लोग आपस में लड़ रहे हैं. So, and because of which, of course, thousands of people may die in the future. So, to avoid this, of course, Indians are being brought back. So, for that, you can say these are the news. 2 Indian Air Force aircraft has been sent to Jeddah, and a ship has been sent to Port Sudan to help people come out of that, Indians. So basically we are taking help from Jeddah as well. So like for example from Port Sudan, the ship can go to Jeddah, and from where we can bring with the help of aeroplanes and all. That is what it is. Yes, you can see it here. First batch of 278 Indians leave Sudan under Operation Kaveri, and this is actually INS Sumeda, the name of the ship, with the help of which we are actually rescuing the Indians in Sudan. Right, you can see this is Mr. Arindam Bagchi, the official spokesperson of Ministry of External Affairs. He has actually released the press release also. You can read it. That 2 Indian Air Force plane C-130J, okay, and INS Sumeda. So these are the two. This one is a ship, and these two are actually the aeroplanes which are being used in this. So you can see this is actually C-130J, originally made by Lockheed Martin, which is a US-based company. So India has bought it from USA, and this is INS Sumeda, which is actually helping it. Okay, yes. So let me show you some of the images of that, so that it would be easy for you to understand it. Yes, under Operation Kaveri. So these are some of the images. So this is the same C-130J. This will be of course of Bharatiya Vayu Sena, that is Indian Air Force, and these are some of the images of Indians being brought back. So you can see these images. And so this is inside the picture of the aeroplane, that C-130J. Okay, so you can see it here. And yes, these were the news that came in. You should be knowing what is Operation Kaveri, Port Sudan. These are the things and all. You should be knowing it. Okay, so we are taking the help of Jeddah, which is a city in Saudi Arab. So we are taking the help of Saudi Arab also in evacuating Indian citizens. Okay, yes. So this is the tweet. You can go and go to his Twitter handle and watch these videos as well. He has shared some videos also and some of the images also in this. So yes, one more thing is that we are having a free workshop on 7th May at 6 PM with Abhimanyu sir. You can join it. The link is given in the description. And we are running a scholarship test on 30th April at 11 AM in the morning. If you have qualified this test, you will get up to 90% scholarship on this paid batch. If you have any question, call on this number. Query regarding this course, you can call on this number. Okay, we are providing 300 plus recorded videos, 300 plus hours of live session, 35 plus mock tests, etc. Okay, so please subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and download the BYJU'S Exam Prep app. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.